And this also is
Saturday, and go down there with the family, with the kids, and take a look at these displays.
I love that.
craft. Nick Johnson. I don't know if it's he or his dad John. They're together. I guess John is spotting for his son Nick. This is a BVM production here of an F16, a Bob Violet models. And this also is an ARF, major components pre-built and covered. My wife remarked one time she came out here, we weren't having an official event, but we had a couple of turbine-powered airplanes flying, and she said, wow, that's incredible. They sound just like the real thing. And of all the aircraft that are here today, these turbine-powered planes are the closest representation, I think, to the real thing as far as the flight characteristics, the speeds, and the sound that they make. And this aircraft has got a 65-inch wingspan and is powered by a JetCat 140P. It's a lot of power. And this also is of wood and fiber. Now these aircraft, they can reach speeds well over 100 miles an hour. I think if they really pushed them, they'd be doing 150 or even better. So they're fast, they're sleek, they're slick. You got to be on your toes when you're flying these, because it's just a matter of seconds. If you let your attention lapse, if you lose sight of one of those things, it could get away from you quick. So with all of these aircraft, you've got to be on the ball and know what's going on, but especially these because of the speeds that they travel. There's something also, John Johnson, the elder Johnson up there at the flight line, he is a local children's dentist. I know I'm not saying it right, but
lost it again.
Well, now that's some slow speed maneuvering right there.
For a jet.
Now you're probably, that'd be top speed for a World War I fighter, because I've seen some flying formations where we've had World War I biplanes and a World War II fighter and a modern jet flying together, and the jet has got to fly about that slow in order for that World War I plane to be able to keep up. Nick is, he's an airline pilot. That's how he makes his living. But his dad's been involved in our... Nick is making a slow pass here. Got a high angle of incidence. Got to have that if you're going to fly at that slow speed. And a higher angle of attack.
Lost it again.
All right, Nick's got his gear down. Make that gear pass to make sure they're down before he makes his landing approach. Okay, Nick is on final approach. Isn't that sweet? Just look at that. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And there's, he's got his brakes too. So, like I said, on the turbine-powered aircraft, the brakes are mandatory according to AMA, Academy of Model Aeronautics, regardless of how long your runway is. Beautiful aircraft and excellent piloting there by Nick Johnson.